Hi, I'm Emily Tracey. I'm taking over from Lauren Noakes on the Lyell Center video updates. We are here on site end of June on a very rainy day, unfortunately. And next to me is John Murray, who's going to give us a quick update. Hi John, how are you?
I'm fine, Emily. Welcome to the Lyell Centre site.
Thank
Sorry
you.
about the weather, midsummer and all that. But basically I'm pleased to say, Emily, since we were here last time, there's been quite a lot of progress. When I was here with Lauren a month ago, the steelwork on the BGS wing hadn't really started, but now, as you can see behind us, that's virtually fully complete. So that's a real kind of landmark stage. What's also happening now is the floor slabs are going in.
Great.
And the brickwork is about to start, so it's beginning to start on a small part of the site. So the building will start to become enclosed over the next few months. So thankfully, with the weather like it is today, we're starting to get towards a watertight building now.
Excellent. And you were saying last video that you were setting up an MH relocation committee. Is there any news to report on that?
Yeah, as the building progresses, we've got to start thinking more and more about the detail of how we occupy the building and when we occupy the building. Tomorrow I'm chairing a meeting back at Merchant House where we're starting to really define down in detail where everybody is going to sit within the new building, both this building behind us here, the main Lyell building, and the support building over the side of the site. So I'm hoping within probably 2 weeks or so, all staff will find out where they're going to be within the building. What we've also got to work out as part of that process is all the storage which people require. Both individual storage around the workspace and also collective group storage for equipment. So we're working on all that. The timing of the project is still basically on track. We should have both the buildings handed to us by the middle of June next year. What we then have to think hard about is the best time to relocate all our operations and all our staff from Merchant and Lonehead into the new buildings here at Riccarton.
Okay. And is the rain holding anything up, or is it pretty much still on track?
The rain doesn't seem to be holding anything up. I'm hoping this rain, June's been a fairly rainy month, but we've been speaking to the guys at Morrison's this morning, and I don't think it's causing them any real major problems other than making the site a little bit muddy at the moment. As I said earlier on, I think the building is getting to a stage now where it shouldn't be too long before it's more or less watertight, and we don't expect to see any more delays as a result of this particular rain today. Just a bit uncomfortable for us out here doing the interview. For filming, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. I think we're going to head over to the support building next, so we'll see you there.
Thank you.
Hi, we are now at the support building and it's still raining. We're standing right in front of the test well. John, do you want to give us a quick update?
Yes, since David Kearney gave a report last month, Emily, what's been happening basically is Morrison's have now finished the concrete foundations for the site, which means the steelwork will be able to go up, as we've seen with the main building a moment ago. The steelwork will start to go up here next month, first half of July, hopefully. So on our next visit here, we should see a lot of progress above ground. But what's also been happening here, the ground source heat pump pipe work is now complete, so that's ready to go. And as you just mentioned, what we've got here immediately behind us is the very impressive test well, which is approximately 8 metres deep. Will be used by our colleagues in the marine section to test equipment. And the well is just getting to the stage where it needs to be tested for holding water now. I think today is probably its first real test to see if it really will hold the water. There will be some more formal testing later on, but as you can see, it's an impressive structure, very deep, and I think that will be a valuable facility for our colleagues in the marine team.
Great. I think that's it. Is there anything else that you wanted to say? This is on schedule?
Yes, as with the other building, this is presently on schedule. We hope to get this whole site and the building on it handed over to us just before Christmas. As I mentioned before, with regards to the main building, we're also now in advanced discussions with all our staff, our stakeholders in this building and this site, who are mainly the marine team, geomag, seismology, the photography team, records and collections, again about how we will make this site work best for them and how we will carve up the internal storage space and so on. So it's all progressing very well.
Great, okay. I think that's it for today. We're going to go and get dry and a good cup of tea. Just one more reminder, don't forget to check out the webcam. The webcam shows the progress at the Lyell building, so not the support building, but just over the road. So tune in and see progress.